So today we're over here at Sunshine State JDM. Here we have in front of me our new giveaway engine. We have a RBB K24A JDM, which is essentially a K24A2 RBB, true VTEC.
Get in there, K24A.
There we go. She's nice, clean, and beautiful. And we're gonna give one lucky winner a chance at winning this bad boy, which we'll explain how to do later. And she is looking nice and beautiful, even has a Honda filter on it. And this is going to be shipped to anyone in the lower 48. Good to go, give you a nice platform. And the engine is actually going to remain here because I want to make sure that someone gets the 30-day startup guarantee. So once it arrives at your home or wherever you pick it up, you've got a 30-day warranty and good to go. So guys, how can you win the K24A engine shipped to you at no cost to you? It's very simple. Go to HondaStreetGarage.com. Got to be subscribed to the channel and follow me on Instagram. And always, if you want to stay up to date with everything going on, follow me on Instagram because that's usually where I keep most of the up-to-date stuff. But all you have to do is go to HondaStreetGarage.com, pick up a sticker. Now these go under the hood of your car. So they come in 2 different packages, 1 sticker, 1 ticket, or 2 stickers and 2 tickets. It's that simple. You can buy as many as you want and it increases your chances to win. And there's only a limited amount of these. Once they sell out, they'll be gone and we will do the giveaway. Now, if you are out of the country, please do not enter. If you live in Hawaii or Alaska, please do not enter because I cannot ship the engine there. It's just too much. There will also be a 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th place prizes announced. So stay tuned for more information. Watch the rest of the video and then go to the website HondaStreetGarage.com, pick a sticker up, you'll be good to go. Good luck to everybody. Thank you guys so much for all the support. We're doing this in celebration of hitting 100,000 subscribers. We're really trying to go ham on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for all the support. Good luck to everybody. And let's check out the rest of the video. So over here at Sunshine State JDM, if you're looking for engines or transmissions, obviously they have a huge inventory and selection. If you need anything, hit them up. We've got H series, B series. Oh wow, look at that. They even got a B16 over here. Sweet. They have a ton of K24s. However, most of these are Accord style K24s. And they even have B series, high compression B20s, even single cams, H series, F series, all that type of stuff. And they actually have something that a lot of you guys might be interested in. If you, well, all over that one. If you see up there, K all-wheel drive manual transmission, they have one of them up there. So they, from time to time, get a hold of them. You got how many?
20 K all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Probably close to 15.
Wow. Yeah, people are looking for them.
The all-wheel drive manuals, we got about 12. Whole lot of TSX transmissions.
We've got B20s for days in here. And of course, if you could see them, transmissions. CRV all-wheel drive transmissions, they've got them. So if you're looking for some all-wheel drive, B series and K series, they have it. And I even thought about that one right there, same thing, a whole bunch of them. And so if this giveaway goes well, we'll start doing more bigger giveaways. Okay, so it's a beautiful day outside.
Just rip it.
Yeah, man, this is a track car.
Shit, let's go. Where's that boost? Where's the boost?
There it is.
There's.
Whoa, you gotta let go of the gas pedal, son. Let go of it. dropped by a wire. We're going to go pick up the new project car. I have been trying to work this out for a while, almost a couple of months, to try to get this situation worked out. And we'll go over all the details once we get there, what it is, what's going on with it, what we're gonna do with it. So hopefully it'll all work out. If not, you won't see this. So
I think they will.
Here's what's been going on. I haven't been able to upload lately because I've been working a lot, non-stop. And so I haven't been able to focus on the channel. Hopefully it should all work out because I have some big things planned that are really gonna make all the difference. Anyway, we'll see you when we get there. Look at this. I've made this statement several times, and I told Beck this. When I go to buy a car, it's always raining. If it's not raining, it doesn't go through, or there's something wrong, or something comes up. And it was clear skies, and just to prove it, like, the weather report is not, it's showing some clouds, but not really any rain. So, yeah, that's a little weird. Anytime I go look at anything, I'm always like, hey, it'd be nice to not purchase this. Let's just go find something else, or, you know, hold on to the funds. Looks like we might be losing some money today. But we're on our way. We're about 30 minutes out of getting to the said place that we're going. And I'm hoping that there'll be enough sunlight to film the car. Oh, well, there's always, well, what if we don't pick it up? What if
This is true. It's raining.
It's raining.
You still haven't told us what that means. Is it a good thing or bad thing?
It's usually a good thing. It usually means that, usually when it rains, I pick up a car. And it always happens. I don't know. Every vehicle I've ever purchased, it's rained.
So it's meant to be when it's raining.
Basically, it's meant to be. Oh, you got the horn to work?
You don't find all those girls that are all hustling.
God. You are, listen, you're the best car salesman I've ever met in my life. We're gonna go over this stuff a little bit later. So she runs. She sounds good. I don't need it. It's not that loud.
I haven't driven.
Don't stall now. You're on TV.
You say go down to the left?
Go right.
Oh, go right. The other thing, this thing is so much fun. Doesn't look like much on the outside, but she is all there, and she is unbelievably stable and stiff. Like it drives like a brand new car. It doesn't look like one, but it drives like it, that's for sure. I'm gonna get on the road. Look at that sky. What up, boys and girls? I am tired. I am wore out. I'm sleepy. Gotta get this energy up. So let's talk about the car. Why did I get this car? Obviously, it's an EF. 89 SI. Never been smashed or wrecked. Obviously, exterior-wise, it you know, it can benefit from a little TLC. However, the structure of this thing is solid. Sunroof works. The windows roll up and down perfectly fine. It has EX knuckles with Type R calipers, Mini Cooper rotors. The brake system on this thing is amazing. This car stops. The interior, for the most part, is all there and solid. However, you know, it's an older car. The dash is immaculate. Door panels, however, have your typical, you know, messed up stuff here. But that's not why we got this thing. I don't know if we'll ever be able to find door panels because they are getting hard to find. People want gold prices for them. The dash is just about flawless. We've got the TIG with shifter, which, to be honest with you, I'm not real crazy about. I'll get into why later. But I've also got the rubber dash pad, which is amazing. That's really awesome. Crappy t-shirt, seat cover. Driver's seat has normal wear and tear. If you don't know, 89 seats are unique to 89 only. 89 SI seats are unique to 89 SI only. Even the bolt patterns on the 9091 are different. So 89 is very special. Also, the big thing about 89 is that the seat belts are on the pillar. They're not on the door like, you know, most CRXs and hatches that are 9091. Even the door shuts nice. Obviously got a set of Coasty K1s. Already got people asking me about them. Factory floor mats. Rear seat looks great. Hatch struts work. Rear wiper's been deleted. Who cares about that? And we have the ever elusive cargo cover, son. I'm really excited about this. With the original SI only Honda rear speakers. Now let's get into the good stuff. Sounds like an EF. Under the hood, we have a B16A2 with B16A JDM P30 pistons, Brian Crower valve springs, Type R cams, JDM intake manifold from a B16A, B16 cable transmission, Skunk 2 radiator, Hotsport motor mounts, cannot forget those. Of course, we've got the big booster over here. But for the most part, this thing is meat and potatoes. The heat works. Car runs really well. It does need a tune. I have a suspicion the TPS sensor may be a bit off. Other than that, the car's phenomenal. I know, I'm the one person who never cares about washing cars. Now, why did I get this car? Well, for starters, John Moore built this car. But John basically hadn't been using this. He built it to take to the track, and he had not been using it lately. And he also kind of needed some help because his air conditioner went out. And the reason why I want this car is because for the longest time, obviously, since I've gotten rid of my last couple of EFs, I have wanted an EF again. But to me, the quintessential EF of all time is a 89 and 91 EF SI with a B16. And this checks all the boxes. The only thing really wrong with this car is cosmetics. Everything's original, well, except for the front bumper. So it is a wagon front bumper, but the paint's original, obviously. She got that pink hue to it. I believe this is Rio Red originally. But little things like this, we're gonna re-black. I'm not sure exactly what the plan is. I would love to paint it. I don't know if we'll be able to. We don't really have the budget to paint, you know, a car, but may wrap it.
So we'll see.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember, go to HondaStreetGarage.com. Link is in the description below. Pick up an under hood Hawk sticker. You'll be entered to win the K24. And see you guys in the next video, which should be coming up very soon.